So you can consider this like more of the Gaia theory addendum because there's some things that I kind of forgot to mention and kind of originally thought about. So I wanted to go back to the passage in the Bible in Leviticus verses chapter 18 verses 28 where it talks about if you defile the land that the earth will spit you out. So I wanted to talk about how, well, first, from an archetypal perspective, just to kind of give you an idea of the Gaia theory, I want to talk about Moana and how that story of, Moana and Te Fiti and honoring the relationship between humans and the land and not defiling the land. And understanding how there are ultimately grave consequences for humans if we continue to ignore and defile the land. And that's something that was written in the Bible. And so, with the current climate collapse that's happening now, as we have ushered into this new epoch of time of the Anthropocene, we know that a lot of the planetary changes that we're ultimately experiencing are due to the rise in global temperatures, which is caused by humans and our impact on the environment, and that this idea of the Earth having the capacity to spit us out. Ultimately, if we understand from the Gaia principle that Earth is a self-regulating system, that then it will then become inhospitable to us because it would then interpret us as a virus because we are deliberately throwing off the balance of this self-regulating entity. And as we talked about with these feedback mechanisms, if we reach certain tipping points that we could then push the earth into a new state of existence to where a new state of being, right, of weather patterns to where in order to then bring back down these rising global temperatures, it may trigger an ice age, for example. Not saying that that's going to happen, I don't know. But I'm just saying that that could be one of the ramifications of it trying to mitigate this effect of achieving this degree of homeostasis. The Gaia principle really helps me to understand why it's important for us to protect, to safeguard the environment for humanity. Like it goes back to now, what does it mean to be human, and what is it? What does wholeness mean? What does interconnectedness mean? And returning back to the earth to be able to foster an environment that works for everybody.